$300,000 race car, Lamborghini Supertropheo, beautiful racetrack in Virginia, pro racer, you'd be rude not to. This is why things are different for us on the World's Fastest Car Show. We don't just test them, we don't just review them, we don't just drive them. When we get the chance, we race them. And so here at VIR, I'm going to take out one of those Supertropheo cars, number 63, doing 185 miles an hour on the back straight. It's pretty serious, and there's some great competition. So the next time you hear me, we'll be from inside the car. Radio check, I can hear you. All right, let's go. Warming up the tires. The Pirellis really do pick up temperature and grip very fast on this track. But the first lap is incredibly tough because you don't have the braking capacity or the mid-corner grip. You've got to be pretty careful, yet not give everything away to your competitors. If you don't turn on the brake cooling fan, you'll soon find out. You can't stop it. Very cool mix of drivers lined up alongside me here. Al Carter, a real up-and-coming guy who's done a lot of racing the last 4 years. Super quick, races everything. Andy, young guy from the karting world, who's annoyingly fast. There's one pace car lap, so this lap will be the green flag. I better just focus. Looking for the green flag, looking for the green flag, looking for... Nice start there, keep it under control. Car's really a bit slick. Track temperature's very hot today, so slick on these opening laps. It's just quick. Everyone's feeling pretty racy out here. Car is moving perfectly, well balanced, of course, on this Gallardo Supertropheo car. Keep it neat and tidy. Very important to have tire management here. If you don't manage your tires, you will have deterioration, degradation, and it just costs you at the end of the race. $1,350 kilo, dry. Essentially, they come off the production line alongside the road-going cars. They're diverted off to the race prep guys. An FIA spec roll cage is put in, the seats, all the safety equipment, the fire extinguishers. On the dashboard here, you've got some of the original switch gear, and underneath you have obviously the race stuff that you need, which is brake cooling, pit speed limiters, the on and off switches, fire extinguishers. On the suspension, the up and low control arms, they're the same. They just upgrade all the bushings, obviously less give, make it a lot firmer, a lot more precise. But that's pretty much all that's happening on the suspension. Of the springs and dampers, obviously there, especially for racing. Interestingly enough, you run narrower wheels on the race car than you would on a road-going Lamborghini. Pirelli do an amazing job on providing a tyre for the series. Bodywork-wise, a lot more aero package, huge front splitter, flat bottom under tray, and then this aggressive, very efficient rear wing, fully adjustable, that has to be there to trim out the car because the car does generate so much front downforce. But what's amazing, the engine really hasn't changed at all. They put a race management system on it. Tough to believe that this is essentially a well-prepared, road-going race car. They haven't done much to it, but what a testament to how good it must have been right from the beginning. Trying to get out of there fast. If you have a bad exit there, you'll just get overtaken on the back straight. So far, so good. 175 miles an hour, little dab at the brakes on the left foot, make sure I got pressure as I brake down at just under 100 meters from 175 into a second gear right-hander. Pressure's on now, tire pressures are up. Track is really working for this whole Supertropheo drivers. It is pretty impressive. Handling turn-in is marvelous. I mean, for an all-wheel drive car, you turn in absolutely on the spot. Quite incredible. Mid-corner balance is really off the charts. Starting to set the guy up in front of me, giving him a bit of grief in the mirrors. Okay, a lot of grief in the mirrors. One of the young guys, he came by so fast, so impressive, but you know, you've got to manage and use a little bit of experience. Can't be too fast at the beginning, or you'll have nothing left on your tires at the end. Little groan there. Complete blast to drive this car around here.
Can we have a round of applause for Justin Bell? Alright guys, Justin right here. Thanks.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the world's fastest car show from Virginia International Raceway. That certainly was much too much work. I need to get back in the gym, another race tomorrow. But for those of you that say, we don't really drive on this show, think again. Thank you, ladies. You were the good luck. See you next week.
Check back each week for more on your eBay Motors mobile app.